Okay, this video is about how to remove one of these Masterlink pin. The Masterlink pin is one of these clips. Normally, if you want to take it out, it looks kind of easy when you look at it on other YouTubes, but it's very hard when you do this for the first time. So I can give you some ideas where you need to actually apply these tools. First, you need one of these needle nose pliers. Or you can also have like this one, pliers. But which one works, that depends on you. I prefer to use this one. Sometimes if you don't have enough leverage to pull this pin out or push it in, you need one of these thicker ones. Or if you want to prefer to this one. So these are the two options. What I prefer right now, I would use like this one, the preferred needle nose. So first, to get this retaining pin out, you have to grab one end on this silver, right here. It doesn't matter which way. You grab one of these silver on the opening end. You see, this is a closed end and this is an opening end. So you grab it on the silver right here, and then the other end on the needle nose pliers, you grab it on this post right here. So let me demonstrate. So you put like basically one on the silver right here, and then the other one you grab it on this post right here. So basically you grab it one end on this post and then one end on the silver plate. So make sure you grab it on the silver plate. I mean, like on the brown plate only. I'm sorry, not the silver plate. The silver plate is underneath it, because like if you grab like both of them, you see the plate, there's a silver plate and a brown plate. You want to get the Masterlink out, so actually you need to grab like this this brown one out. Make sure you don't grab both. If you grab both, you won't get it out. That's a mistake that I first made, because these are the plate underneath it. So let me just, normally when you do these kind of things, it's very hard because these things are almost like, you have no space because they are almost like together. So what I tell you right now, save you a lot of headaches, you just grab one end on this, or this brown end opening, and then the other one you grab it on the post, this one, the post. So it will look like this. One end you grab it on a post, and one end you grab it on this brown clip, and then you just squeeze it together. What I did at the beginning, I grabbed all of them. I grabbed like the whole thing and grab it. You will just break the retaining ring, or you're just gonna slide out this pin and bend it, and also on top of it you will also hurt your hands. So when you do this, it's not easy. It looks easy, but it's not. So make sure you only grab like the silver, no, not the silver, the gold, the brown retaining ring, because you accidentally, sometimes you just grab both of them and it will not move. The trick is you grab the brown one, the brown retaining ring. So first, if you want to get it out, you grab it on this post right here, and one end on the post, and that one end you grab it on the opening ends of the brown clip, and you squeeze it and the thing just flies out. To do the other way around, it's the reverse side. So you grab it on this, post right here. You grab it on this post, and you grab like the brown plastic, the brown pin. You grab it right here. Don't grab like both of them. If you grab this silver, it won't do anything. You make sure you grab this brown retaining ring, and then you squeeze it together and you get it out. So that's just that's the tip. Normally when you run into these things, it's very hard. So when you have like some model to examples, it's very easy. So you just slide this thing is. Obviously it's very easy if you don't have like this thing in the way, this silver plate, it's in the way. It's very easy to to get it out if you practice. But when you put like in real life, and realize this thing is gonna slip up all the way like this, and it's very hard to grab the hold on. You can see, like, if I turn it on the side, it's very flat. You can easily slip, you can see it. So make sure when you grab it, you grab only the brown plate, not the silver. If you grab the silver, you squeeze it and it doesn't do anything. So the trick is always, like, you know, make sure you grab like the right brown pin Masterlink. And the trick is you grab like one of the, if you want to get it out, grab the post, grab this post, and the other end you grab one of these, the end of these brown clips. So you grab like this, and then the post behind the post, and this one you behind the pin, and then you squeeze it, and then this thing will slide out. And the other way around, it's the same thing, the opposite side. You grab the post on this side, you grab the post on this side, and then you just grab the silver plate right here. Not the silver. I mean, like, you grab the brown plate, not the silver. If you grab this one, that's a classic one that you're gonna bend this clip and also hurt yourself. It's very hard to do this. There's little room to navigate because this needle nose apply has barely any grip on this thing. You can see it. But it's just a little bit practicing and you will get it. And that's it.